Hello everyone, good evening. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. Radhakrishnan. So let me first wish all of you a happy Teachers' Day. We all know that in our CA journey, articleship period is known as a golden period of our career. So why is it called as golden period? Because the people we meet here, the experience we get, the things we come to know remains with our life all the time, and they are really very important aspect in our CA career. And during this journey, we meet the person who keeps us guiding, motivating and helping all the time. Yes, and speaking about the principal. And on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, it's my immense pleasure to express my views on my principal. So on the topic, learning from my principal, my teacher. I am Dhanashri Yadav, registered under C. Ashok Bhosle sir. He has set successful practice in his career for past 27 years. Every office has its specialty, and if someone asks me what the specialty of your office, I can proudly say the specialty of our office is the experience gained by C. Ashok Bhosle sir, and second, the respected C. Ashok Bhosle sir. I have learned lot many things from him. Very first, how to stay calm, because he is actually high-tempered person. But while handling clients, he acts so calm. He makes jokes, he cracks jokes, then keeps the environment of our office very friendly. The other thing that I learned from him is to focus on understanding the things rather than working. He always says that mark is just a number. What matters is here, the knowledge, what you gain, what you perform, how is your performance is what really necessary. So how much attempts it takes doesn't matter a lot. The important is the knowledge that you gain. The next thing what I learned from him is he always gave me the confidence. Before I joined his office, I was very shy. I was very scared to perform any new thing, undertake any new task. But during these 2 months, he has made me brave enough to have gave me courage, and now I can perform any new task with the confidence. Once I asked him, sir, what if I'll go wrong? तेव्हा ते मला असं म्हणाले की अगं चूक तोच माणूस अशी हमी देऊ शकतो की मी कधीच चुकणार नाही, जो आयुष्यात कधीच काही करत नाही. जर तुझ्याकडून चूक होतीये तर याचा अर्थ आहे की तू काहीतरी तर ट्राय करतेयस, म्हणून ती चूक होतीये. आणि पहिल्याच दिवशी जेव्हा मी त्यांना भेटायला गेले होते तेव्हा ते मला म्हणाले होते की बिनधास्त काम करायचं, काही नसतं, हसत खेळत काम करायचं, महत्त्वाचं आहे काम झालं पाहिजे. मग ते कसं का असेना, पण तुम्ही तुमचं एन्व्हायरमेंट फ्री ठेवा. लंच ब्रेकमध्ये ते आमच्यासोबत येऊन बसतात, आमच्यासोबत मस्ती पण करतात, म्हणजे आमच्या नकला करून दाखवतात सर कधी कधी. सगळं असतं. त्यांना प्राण्यांची आणि झाडांची खूप आवड आहे. म्हणजे ही हॅज प्लांटेड सो मेनी ट्रीज इन आर ऑफिस प्रिमाइसेस. सो आय कॅन हॅपीली से आर ऑफिस एन्व्हायरमेंट इज फ्रेंडली प्लस इको फ्रेंडली टू. So to conclude my part, I'll just say thank you to all of you for giving your precious time, and thank you to Ashok sir for being my such motivator and guide. Thank you.